Hello everybody, my name is Markus and I'm one of the Palmer engineers. I want to present you the newest product. It's called PEPAMP MKII. Many of you might know the first version, and this is the second version where we have done some improvements for the sound, for the noise level and the overall performance. First of all, I will show you just the bypass sound. And then we can go to the vintage clean classic option. It means the amp is selected to vintage. It's more or less sounds like a tweed vintage amplifier, and in a clean mode it stays up to highest gain setting clean. So you activate first. And you can go through the vintage amplifier with the different modes. So now, that was clean, and now we make crunch. So you have a little bit crunchy tone, and in a heavy mode and the next example, it's a British amplifier mode, clean, crunch and heavy. The British amplifier, it's I'm not allowed to say which simulation it's more or less, but it's and Vox together. So first we go to the clean. This was the clean mode with a gain set to the full. I can go with the gain a little bit back, and then or with a neck pickup. And then we go to the crunch. Or in a heavy mode, you get really heavy metal 80s sounds. And you have gain up to here. And then it gets interesting when you change the mic position from classic to center. Or off axis. And the next mode is US mode, and it's a simulation from, I don't want to say which branch, but it's a, I don't want to say it. Beep. Okay. So, first I show you clean, then I show you crunch and heavy. This was clean, this is crunch. And then I go to heavy. And I show this to the maximum gain. What do we have here in the reserves? And then you have in US amp heavy mode option to use center mic position or of X. I show it to you. So this is classic, this is center, and this is off X. And you can always turn more or less treble and bass, so you can have. And the last feature is ground lift, which is very useful sometimes when you have lots of cables, as you can see here now. When the ground doesn't match, you have buzzing noise, and you can eliminate this with a ground lift. Thank you for understanding.